Good afternoon. This is Julie. It is Monday, May 7th, 3:01 p.m. The electronic market is still open, but the RTH session just closed, rang the bell at 3 o'clock. And what I wanted to point out, this is a 60-minute view of the NASDAQ. You can see that the bulk of the move occurred overnight and into the pre-market session, but basically on Sunday session. The Asia session got the bulk of this move up, and then we went sideways into the cash session today, very small range, relatively speaking, and we were sandwiched between the high, the close, and these pivots, and that's exactly where price was attracted to. Now this is a 15-minute view, and you can see that on the 15-minute view, they were trying to tell you not to go long or stay long. But you could catch some shorter term momentum and linear regression short term. On a few places this morning, we were able to catch this part up right here. Let me bracket it very narrow. Oop, my pen is not working. There it goes. So we were able to catch that in the trade room. And then if you can see a little bit there, but basically it came down after that. And I think a tweet came out saying that there's going to be a decision about Iran, and that sent the market down. It obviated this push. But I don't think the market was going anywhere anyway, considering the 60-minute time frame. So what does this little section look like on the high-low 2? And I had a Blackbird template. Let me load the high-low 2 on here real quick, and I will show you. Give this one quick second to load. Okay. And then we back it up over to that place, and here we are. There was that little place. So when you get the green on the linear regression, and then our board, of course, was all green, you can really start attacking those intraday, even though they were short time period. You can start trusting these triggers and just take a well, there were no mid-band triggers. These were all upper triggers. So there's your trades, and basically it's situations like this where you're trying to trade whether it's up or down, hopefully with the higher time frame in mind. So it would have been all up today. So you come into a situation where the linear regression is moving in that direction, and you come in and try to approach the market. It's like setting up a golf shot at that time. This was the overnight part. So we had some success in the room, even though the market was constrained pretty much today, sitting on its highs, but not really going anywhere following those great moves from Friday. So I'm not sure. Tomorrow we have jolts, but I'm not sure how much the market is going to move around on jolts pending that announcement at 2 p.m. I think that will have the market kind of constrained tomorrow also. So we may have to pick our spots tomorrow like we did today, but there's no reason not to be successful um, trying to navigate um, linear regression and higher time frame trend when they match, going up or down on these the way we have it set up on these templates. So that's all I have for you. Small range day. Crude is going to be responding to that announcement. Right now, it came off its high, but I will be interested to see what Asia does with that news. And of course, we'll definitely be watching tomorrow at 2 p.m. To see what that decision is. If there's going to be additional sanctions, of course, that's going to pressure the price of oil even higher. If there's not going to be sanctions and they're going to be extending time or providing a solution, a renegotiation, or whatever the result is, then I would be looking for 60 oil and then to go back to 70, 75, 80. But right now we're on hold until tomorrow. So that's, I think I've said that. So have a great night and we will see you tomorrow in the follow up. Appreciate it. Thank you so much.